Today everyone, I am playing some Big Pharma. I'm not just going to do one episode of this, I'm going to do a series of probably about 4 or so videos over the next 4 or so weeks, because I'm going to be away for 3 weeks, and then there's also the week before that where I'll be making loads of videos, and yeah, because that would be cool. And I think this is a good game for me to play. So let's start a new game, shall we? That sounds like a great idea. I've done the tutorial, so I know how to play, don't worry. I'm not going to send you through a boring tutorial like I often end up doing and you probably don't really like. So let's start with the beginner scenario of bottom line. I'll try and make it obvious to you how this game works, but I'm not making any guarantees you'll have any idea how this game works at all. Okay, so what are we going to name our company? That is a good question. We are going to name it All the Drugs.biz. All the drugs.biz. That sounds good, right? Who do you want to be? Leonard, Jenny, Chan, Sasha, Orion, Penny. Barkley looks kind of cool. Only Barkley looks cool. He can be my CEO. There we go. Cool. He looks like a good guy. Okay, so what are we doing? We are starting by doing a production line. Our goal is to earn loads of money, basically. So we need to start by importing a drug. What do we have? We have this, which can cure pins and needles. Wait, sorry, no, sorry, this one which can cure warts, or this one which soothes cold symptoms. This can upgrade to an antibiotic. This can upgrade to a female contraceptive. I'm going to have a go at making some soothing some cold symptoms. Let's get some money.
Upgrade points.
So I can't upgrade it because I don't have any explorers. But what I can do is I can import this. And now if we have a look at it, let's just pause it because we're just looking at things. This is currently on 1 concentration. Now if it's anywhere between 4 and 8 concentration, it will be active and it will soothe cold symptoms. But also if it's anywhere between 2 and 10 concentration, it will cause a dry mouth. I can't really do anything about that because it's the same, but I need to get it up to at least 4 concentration. I do that with some basic machines. I think I have these ones yet, so that's interesting. But what I need to do is I needed to increase it up to 4. It was at 1, wasn't it? I think I need to increase it up to 4. Let's have a look. Yes, increase it to 4. So it's on 1. So I need to increase the concentration 4 times. There are some more complicated parts of this game which we will get to shortly. Apparently the game doesn't even have to be running for me to build things. So that's quite useful, right? No, I'm not entirely sure about my current setup, but I'm sure it's fine. Actually, let's move that. Like, no, I think it's fine there, actually. I don't know what I'm doing. But you have to, like, lay out your machines in good ways in order to get things to work well. That's kind of the idea. Would that work? No, that's going to get dropped in. How about up kind of there? Sure. And then we need to send them to some pill printers. Now, just by going through these produce, like, these will, process 1 material every step, but these printers take 2 steps to process a material, so therefore we want 2 printers for this belt. And then what we do is we hook everything up with belts like so, and if we do that, if this works properly, that is, there we go. And if we then hook them up, and then we actually, what am I doing? So I'm trying to earn money here. There, we then start time down here. We can then get ourselves some money, which will start coming. These will start coming in, and then you can see here the concentration's being increased by 1. Oh, I need to increase it twice. I am apparently, wait, what? Oh yeah, it needs to be 3 till 10, and that's 2 till 10. Yeah, okay, so I need to increase it twice. So what I can do is, instead of selling these for the moment, I can just put them off to the side. That works as well, temporarily. And let's sort out this mess a bit. Now I think we're just going to, because I'm just wasting money with extra processing cost doing that. There we go. Because what happens is this costs $10 for each thing it goes through. What's this going to be called? It's going to be called Soothe Cold Systems. It's going to be called, or if it's Soothing Cold Systems, it's going to be called, I think, yeah, let's call it, we make you warm. There we go. Name that. Cool. Now it's actually going to change slightly.
Product name
Yes,
required.
because we kind of changed the concentration. Slightly weirdness. So, all sore throats are for sure. It can be called that then. It's called the all sore throat no more, I think. Because what it's actually doing, it is soothing your cold systems. Cool. So it's got $82 profit for each pill I sell. That's good. I'm making some money. Good. But to make the real money, we need some better ingredients, really. Or we can upgrade it using an agglomerator. But I don't think we have an agglomerator right now. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at our cures. So, yeah, at the moment we have this which soothes cold symptoms, but we don't have an agglomerator and we don't have an ionizer, I don't think. Let's have a look at what we do have. We have an evaporator and we have a dissolver. I'm fairly sure to upgrade what we've got at the moment, we need an agglomerator. So we then go to research. We can research agglomerator, but we need a scientist. So we need to hire one, and that's going to cost us $30 a day. So let's have a scientist there. I don't think we need any new cures right now. So we can also buy some more land, which we probably want to do. There we go. So another thing we can see, this print state changed. This is good. This is all working. It's getting us a bit of money, not that much, but something at least. So what else do we want to do? Well, we can have a look at our ingredients. Do we want to remove warts? Well, it needs to go up a lot, so I might wait till I have like I think the ionizer thing puts things. Wait, what does this do? It increases. I might wait till I have the agglomerator for that. So what I might do is, no, you know what? I'm gonna research something else as well. Actually, what do I want? I want some dragon beetles. Sure, we'll get a new ingredient with explorers. How is our company doing? So this is us. We've got make you warm, which has sold none, and all sort throat no more, which gets us plenty of profit, but only has a cure rating of C, so not that bad. And my opponents currently are doing nothing apparently, so that is fine. Am I on track? Maybe just about. I'm not sure. I am currently on losing money. Okay, so I think we're going to want to set up a production line for the other one. So let's start it over here. And we want to do something we have discovered. We're importing this one. We're not removing warts yet though. So we might want to remove some warts. There we go. So this starts out at 17. So actually we just need to cause it to go down one, and that's it. So to do that, decrease its concentration by 1 minute dissolver. And there are more complex machines that do things like shuffle around. I'll show you like shuffle around the order of these, and you can like get rid of side effects, and then you can also get more complicated upgrades where you need a certain side effect for it to work. It gets pretty complicated really. So let's just move these out of the way, and then where can we send it to? I guess oh no, we have one over here, that's fine. I bet almost didn't notice that then. So you get like all these things, what's a packer? Packs products into a box. I've not seen that before. Multi-mixer kind of mixes these things together. Then you can kind of move them around. This one helps you make it like find out where they're most effective, so you get better cures. And yeah, these ones just kind of increase and decrease concentration. So that's fine. So what did we want to do? We wanted some pill printers, of course. Here we go. This is pretty good. Just a very basic cure here to get us a bit more money. There we go. And I think that should work. Just do that. That should just start earning us more money. Now I think we're only going to get the standard one. We're no expert at this. So is this now? Yes, it now remove warts. That's good. Okay, so this going to call this like Spot Be Gone, because why not? That sounds a good name. How is our ingredient research going? 46%, but how's more importantly this research going? 63%. Cool.
Required.
Oh, we need to name this product. Yes, this is going to be Wart Be Gone, because this one I can actually name the final product. Wart Be Gone. Well, no, it shouldn't be underscores, it should be dashes. Wart Be Gone. There we go. Name. Competitors released a Soothe Cold Systems one. So they've got a Soothe Cold System, Dry Mouth. They've got like 21. So we've also got one. We have C plus though, so we're getting plus 5%. I think that's because we're close-ish to the like optimal one. So let's see, how's our what we got? It sold 6. So yeah, it also shows you things like the current average saturation. So if we click on it, no, I don't want to rename it. I think we can see stuff here like total revenue. There's stuff about saturation somewhere. Yeah, here, but there's a thing. I'm looking for something that I don't know where it is. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm failing you. I don't really know what I'm doing. Here we go, look at this. This shows you in demand for the ingredient. 106% and our saturation is 52%. So that's how much of the supply capacity is being used. And then for this one, again, those are the numbers there. So how's the research doing on this? 91%, very good. How's this going? Is this a good thing? It's got us getting us 83 profit. That's not too bad. Are we ahead of the curve on this? I don't know. It looks like we might be. It looks like we might be able to get green. That's cool. Let's just move these out of the way because you get more money just by moving them and then replacing them. You lose money if you sell them. I'm sure I might be able to do something with them in the future. So I think my plan is when
Research complete.
Oh, here though, this is complete. We've got an agglomerator. So that means that with this, if we look at our cures, we can now upgrade this with an agglomerator to an antibiotic, and that sounds good, right? So that's something we can do. Now I'm going to keep my existing production line, and I think I'm just going to make a new one. So which one was it that makes the antibiotic? It was this one. So import this, and also research. You can now research the one that like decreases by 3, because the agglomerator also increases concentration by 3. So first, what do we want to do with this? We want
A
to get it here.
competitor has released a new
What have you
product.
released? You've released a prevents gout one. Interesting. I don't even have that. I don't even have that one. Oh well.
New ingredient discovered.
A new ingredient. What does this do? It soothes rash, induces nightmares, and blurs vision. That doesn't sound very nice, does it? What other ingredients are there? There we go, a new thing. That's also got a catalyst, which might become useful in the future. What else do we have? We have here, look at the spiny fig, sure. Okay, what was I doing? This thing. I need to get it up to 4 concentration. So increase concentration by 3, that would be perfect. So we do that. Now let's see what that does to it, because you can look at them one at a time. So this should get the concentration up to 4, yes. So then we need to send it through a different agglomerator, because it has to be how to send it through another one, and that will enable us to upgrade it. And so that should be right. We're going to need to get a new area actually, because I don't have any more ports. So I'm going to have to like send it all the way over there. So I might actually move it in a minute. Yeah, I'll have to. I think I'll move it over here, because this port's kind of useless right now. So this one is now antibiotic, but it needs to be in the range of 12 to 18, so we need to get it up to 12. It's currently at 7, so what we can do is we can do 7 increased by 3, so we can do like 7, 8, 9, 10, and we might as well upgrade it to 13, I think. Let's see, the agglomerator costs 35 per process, whereas this costs 10, so it is yeah, actually I think we want an evaporator here. Okay, yeah, we want an evaporator.
Invalid position.
So we put an evaporator there, but actually this is all a bad position. So what? No, I'm just going to do it crazily. Sure, for now. I'll probably move it in the future. But first, let's get our belts here. Then here. No, seriously, this is stupid. I do not want to have these here, do I? How's my objectives going? Okay, cool. My objectives are nice. What am I doing? Okay, so I'm moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this. We want rubberized something or other. We wanted rubberized ferric gem. We want that. Cool. Okay, now we need to send it through this. Let's send it like here. Then we need to send it through like one of these. I think this is right. And then I think we send it through one of these. This seems about right. I don't know. Let's see what this does, shall we? So I think we told it the import. Let's get our belts and see how this works. See if this works even. There we go. What will this do for us? Will this work? That is a good question. Will this work for us? I honestly have no idea, but I'm sure it's fine. Okay. We might want to increase our speed, but we're not earning that much revenue yet, so probably not. Okay, let's continue. Along here. Are you working? It's an antibiotic. Okay, no. I did want to send it through this one as well. Okay, I'll add this on like the end. Where do I want to add it? Sure, that can go here. I think we want to send it through that as well. That should be it. How does this work for us, I wonder? Does this work for us well or not? No, it's doing to go one more, really? Huh, okay, I'll send it through another one of these. I'm sure everything's fine. So let's put that there. I'm sure I know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. Don't you worry, guys. It's me. I have loads of random machines sitting around now, but I'm sure everything's fine. Let's get rid of all this crap sitting around here. How does this mean? Not finished. Yeah, let's get rid of it. Bye. Okay. Is this working? Yes, this is now a functional antibiotic. Good. So we can now, we only have the pill press. We don't have a cream. Increases count bind value by 30. That sounds good, but we don't have a creamer. So I think we then need to send it through 2 of these, like so. There. And then export it. That looks bad. There we go. And that should be it. And we should be selling something else. I think we're just about on track to make standard, but maybe we'll get expert. Who knows? What if we research now? We've unlocked to the ionizer. That sounds interesting, doesn't it? What does this do? Antibiotic. All biotica no more. Yeah, sure, why not? I can't be bothered naming that. But guys, I think that's a good place to end this first episode, going 70 minutes, doing a decent start in this scenario. I'm sure I'll speed up time. I think I'll speed up time now, so we should get through most of the scenario next episode. But thank you for watching this.
New ingredient
Oh,
discovered.
good. New ingredient. Cool. And goodbye.